This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the British pound US dollar. We are short the sterling at the 140.69 area again. We have played this short on a couple of occasions already today. I do have a long-term short position on this trade for the day, and I've taken a second position short at the 140.69 again. We are right there at a trend support with a reversal to the downside. You can see right here we come down with this pin on this 1 minute, very close to a bearish zone. Pop right back up into it just like a spirit pattern and come right back down crashing through this trend support. So my initial target, which we came very close to, is down around, well, we went right through it, the 140.65, and then I would look next around the 140.62 area again on that trade. So what we're looking at potentially here is, as this stochastic is in this real bearish region, you see a little bit of a bounce to pull it up a little bit, and then it'll turn back down and we'll get one more push just a little bit lower on that trade. So what I would like to get is one good push below this 140.63.5, somewhere below there. Take a quick look at what we look like on a 20-minute. On this 20-minute chart, we have a potential diamond reversal at this top. So when we made this peak move early this morning up through trend support into a bullish trend, we had an arrowhead pattern, came down off of that arrowhead pattern, reversed. You can see a diamond-like pattern there at the bottom. Moved up. We were playing an arrowhead reversal here, potentially shorting this right away on this 20-minute candle at the 140.69. I'll zoom that in a little bit so you can see that. We were shorting this candle at the open, looking for a move lower, playing a potential arrowhead pattern. Well, went ahead and broke down, so that took that arrowhead out of play. We got out of that trade, and now we're looking short again here with the potential of the arrowhead. You can see outside bar, inside bar, inside bar. So potentially what might happen here is this can break down, but you have this diamond pattern at the top at this peak high. When you have that, that's usually a good signal to potentially get short, so that's what we're watching for there. Very quickly back at our 1 minute, it's reversed back up. You can see we came very close to that initial target, went right through that 140.65, which was about 4 pips, but I would like to see it get below this 140.63.5. You can see on our MACD, this is what I call depth move, where we have one push that goes really, really deep, and that really sets a tone as far as the overall momentum with the position is concerned. So when you see what I call depth, or a peak move at the top on that MACD, that signals a bearish momentum against that trade to the upside. And that can change, but it takes a little bit of time, and it will take a whole lot of price action to change that. In other words, we're going to have to see the actual offer come in and move that momentum higher. And right now, you just don't see that when you have a move like this on a stochastic, where you shoot through 1, 2, 3 primary zones into a bullish zone, and you just move up, 2 or 3 pips total in that move on one candle, and then it stops. That's not the type of momentum that you're looking for as that stochastic moves up. And you can see that play out. You can see how that turns down, and now you have another depth peak on your MACD, and that's going to come down through that line. So I would like to see this once again below this 140.63.5 area. We'll keep watching it. This is CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com.